Do you have a project that demands precision, power, and ease of use, but you're struggling to find the right circular saw? Circular saws are the cornerstone of any woodworker's toolkit, tackling tasks ranging from framing to furniture crafting. Finding the perfect saw can be a daunting task with so many options on the market. Today, we're breaking down 3 top-notch circular saws that promise to elevate your cutting game, offering unparalleled performance, innovative features, and user-friendly designs. The DEWALT 20V Max circular saw delivers a perfect combination of power and convenience for on-the-go cutting tasks. Its robust 5,150 revolutions per minute motor breezes through tough cuts with efficiency, ensuring even the most demanding applications are no match for its capabilities. The lightweight magnesium shoe enhances durability and ensures long-lasting cut accuracy, making it a go-to for job site reliability. The saw's compact design, paired with an optimized rubber overmolded grip, provides unmatched balance and comfort, reducing fatigue during extended use. With a bevel capacity of up to 50 degrees, it excels in versatility, offering aggressive bevel cuts across various projects. Add to that a 612-inch carbide-tipped blade capable of cutting 2x material at 90 degrees and 45 degrees with ease, and you've got a saw built for performance and endurance. Its cordless design makes it an excellent choice for portability, freeing you from the constraints of power cords while delivering impressive runtime with DEWALT's trusted battery system. According to a review by Pro Tool Reviews, this saw is a confident cutter, especially when paired with an 8A battery, making it an excellent choice for those committed to DEWALT's extensive 20V Max platform. For the latest price and more details, see the video description. For those who crave raw power and professional-grade precision, the SKILSAW SPT 77WML01 lightweight worm drive circular saw is a game-changer. Built with the lightest magnesium construction, it significantly reduces user fatigue, making it perfect for long days on the job. Its powerful 15-amp dual-field motor ensures consistent performance, ripping through dense lumber with speed and precision while staying cool under pressure. The saw boasts a cut-ready depth adjustment system that allows quick, accurate measurements, and with a maximum bevel capacity of 53 degrees, it easily handles a wider variety of cuts. Features like the anti-snag lower guard ensure smooth operation for smaller cutoffs, enhancing both safety and efficiency. Designed with professionals in mind, this saw is built to handle the toughest framing jobs and offers a maximum cutting capacity of 238 inches at 90 degrees. Its high-speed performance and durable build make it an indispensable tool for contractors seeking reliability and power. Tool Nerds praises the SPT 77WML01 for its accuracy, smooth operation, and ease of use, making it a top pick for both professionals and DIYers. Tool Nerds, for the latest prices and product details, check the video description. Another standout option in the DEWALT lineup is the DEWALT 20V Max Circular Saw Asterisk, designed for users who value mobility and high performance. Its brushless motor delivers optimal cutting performance, handling a variety of materials effortlessly while offering extended runtime and motor longevity. Compact and lightweight, this saw excels in maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for tight spaces and overhead cuts. The tool-free bevel lever enables seamless adjustments, offering a bevel capacity of up to 50 degrees for diverse cutting needs. Safety and convenience are also prioritized with features like the electric brake, which quickly halts the blade after the trigger is released, and a built-in rafter hook for easy storage on the job site. With its streamlined design and dependable cutting power, it's a versatile tool that excels in both DIY projects and professional applications. Whether tackling intricate trim work or heavy-duty framing, this saw provides the flexibility and efficiency you need. Pro Tool Reviews highlights its easy one-hand cutting on thinner materials, making it a comfortable choice for small projects around the house. You'll find links to the products and the latest prices in the video description. In conclusion, whether you're drawn to the balanced design and durability of the DEWALT 20V Max circular saw, the raw power and professional precision of the SKILSAW SPT 77WML01, or the compact efficiency of the DEWALT 20V Max Asterisk, there's a saw here for every need and budget. The DEWALT 20V Max options cater to those looking for portability and user-friendly features, while the SKILSAW delivers robust performance ideal for heavy-duty applications. No matter your choice, you're investing in quality, innovation, and performance. Don't forget to check out the links in the video description for the latest prices and additional details.